Welcome back to HYTE Origins. My name is Ben, and today we're going to be tackling a very interesting PC mod for anyone who's been eyeing on the HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite case. That seems to be always out of stock. Well, we might have a potential solution for you. A third-party 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen from HYTE. Could this be the perfect replacement for the official HYTE Y70 screen? We're about to find out. We'll do a full unboxing, installation, and review on this HYTE LCD touchscreen, so be sure to stick till the end to see if this is the right screen for you. Let's get into it. Alright, let's see what we get in the box.
Right out of the box, we have the screen itself, and it is packed nicely. That's always a good sign. The screen feels pretty durable, and it comes with two different cables, a USB cable for power and an HDMI cable for display connection. One thing that I immediately noticed is that the HYTE screen is slightly thicker than the official HYTE Y70 Touch Infinite screen. But not by much. It still seemed slick enough to fit without messing up the aesthetic of the case though. The HYTE screen has a noticeable bump in the middle due to the placement of the control board, which slightly disrupts the sleek, flush design that the official HYTE screen offers.
Now that we've unboxed the HYTE LCD screen,
it's time to install it in our HYTE Y70. Alright, so we're gonna pop these two panels off so I have access to this middle glass panel here. To remove this side glass panel, we're gonna have to remove our back panel first. So there are two screws here, one on the top and one on the bottom that secure this glass panel on here. We're gonna remove these two so we can pop this one out. Removing the middle glass panel is pretty straightforward. Two bigger screws on the top and two smaller screws on the bottom. And it should just pop right off with a little bit of wiggling. Installing this screen is fairly straightforward. First, peel off the protective layer from the screen. Next, align the bottom of the screen with a gap between the glass panel and the case frame. Once it's in position, secure the screen into the bracket, ensuring the two holes at the top align properly for a snug fit. Next, insert the bottom part of the screen first, followed by the top. Secure all four screws, two at the top and two at the bottom, for a firm and stable fit. It does look like the mounting bracket fits very well with this LCD screen, and the screen connects via a mini HDMI for display output and a USB Type-C for power. There's a bit of difference from the official HYTE screen, which integrates more directly with the case internal components, but with this setup, you just plug and play. To power on the screen, plug the USB cable into the back of your motherboard and connect the HDMI cable to your GPU. Since my HYTE Y70 build isn't complete yet, I'll be using my test bench as an example for this setup.
Alright, everything is secure and in place. Now time to power this on and see how this thing looks.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're up and running, and the display looks really sharp. At 14.5 inches, it's the same size as the official HYTE Y70 screen, and I have to say, it integrates pretty seamlessly with the case, especially considering this is a third-party product. At first, I was really excited about the touchscreen feature, but I quickly realized we're installing the LCD screen behind the glass panel, which defeats the entire purpose of having a functional touchscreen display. Without the direct access to the screen, the touch functionality becomes pretty much unusable. Another important point to mention is that any third-party LCD screen, including this HYTE model, won't be compatible with the HYTE Nexus software. The Nexus software offers a range of customization options, like system stat monitoring for your GPU and CPU load. Unfortunately, with this HYTE LCD screen, we're limited to using software like Wallpaper Engine to display your favorite wallpapers, without any of the built-in stat tracking or customization that the official HYTE screen would provide. One major pro of the HYTE screen is the price. As of today, this third-party option is much more affordable than the official HYTE screen. The HYTE screen is already $40 cheaper than the official HYTE screen, and if you clip the coupon on Amazon, you can snag an additional $10 off. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, this third-party screen offers more decent savings. Like any other secondary monitor, the HYTE screen functions as an additional display for your system, and it offers a few settings you can fine-tune to your preference. For example, you can adjust the brightness and even enable HDR to enhance the color contrast. Interestingly, the screen also comes with built-in speakers, though I'm not sure anyone would prefer to use them for sound. However, you can easily disable the speakers if you don't plan on using them. Durability-wise, both screens feel solid, but I give the edge to HYTE for its seamless fit. However, if you're okay with a slight trade-off in touchscreen and integration, this Wise Coco screen is a very viable option.
So, is the Wise Coco 14.5-inch LCD touchscreen panel, such a long name. So is this 14.5-inch LCD screen panel a perfect replacement for the HYTE Y70 official touchscreen? Well, if you're looking for an affordable, easy to install alternative, this screen definitely delivers. It comes pretty close in terms of functionality and design.
So if you're just looking for a screen and won't be using the touchscreen functionality of HYTE's Nexus software, I'll recommend saving the $40 and opting for this alternative. However, if you're invested in the HYTE ecosystem and want full access to the touch features and customization options, then the official HYTE screen is the better choice.
If you're interested, I've dropped a link to this Wise Coco screen in the description below. Let me know down in the comments below if you would pick up this third-party LCD screen for your HYTE Y70. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next one. Peace!